to take it off ever so carefully. So
Yes.
satisfying. What does it look like inside? Hold on. City, let me help you. And just like that.
Oh, it's upside down.
Oh, wowzers.
Look at all that extra space again.
Again, the space, the space.
So much cardboard.
Ooh.
Want me to move the box to the side?
Sure.
Okay.
Here, let me get that box.
Okay.
What could it be? What do you think it's gonna be?
I think it's gonna be
The
blue color.
Yeah, the yellow and blue ones that you got.
Michigan's?
Yeah.
They're-
Wait, but this was
they're
his high
all
dunk, so it might not be. It might be
to
different.
reveal paper.
Blank paper.
Kind of see it through the paper.
Ooh, that is so sick. Uh-oh. Okay, guys. Little tear in the paper. Ooh. Fire. I want to eat them. They look so yummy. Yummy. Oh, they have the white and yellow lace
alternative.
too. That's
Michigan colors.
sick. We got the green dot here.